who's ready to go win a race? Race number 1, numero uno. First step toward the trophy. Oh! Quit messing with me! That's right, it's me, Lightning McQueen. Woohoo! Hooray! I know, sometimes I create feelings in others that they themselves don't understand. Well, not bad. I'll give you that one. Terrific. That's just great. Red is the color of the season.
Back and forth we go! That's not good. Should be a great finish here, folks, so don't go anywhere.
One lap down. Who are you calling cool? Me? Oh, good.
Why don't you go back to driving on dirt with your buddy Vader?
Careful, these guys don't drive fair.
You passed me? Ow!
That's right, it's me, Lightning McQueen. Just living the dream.
This ain't over by a long shot!
Hey, just protecting the rep.